Hey.
Sir, welcome to MV Masina.
Yes, ganyan. Thank you. Airboat. And mukhang mataring yung akita natin. Ayan. Then, Masina. So, tuloy pa rin na ating biyahe MV Masina from Manila to Iloilo. Ganda ng weather, oh. Hello mga ka-senior, today we are here in Santa Cruz and we will be traveling to Iloilo from Manila using the brand new MV Masina Go2Go travel. So I'm going to show you what it's like riding this new ferry from Manila to Iloilo. In the meantime, join me as we go from Avenida to Pier using public transportation. Let's go! Avenida, first thing that we have to do is to look for a jeep with a signboard Pier 15, and then from there we're going to take an electric vehicle or a tuk-tuk going to Delpan and then Pier 4 Northport Terminal. So we just arrived in the pier at pupunta tayo papuntang Delpan. We're going to take a tricycle or a tuk-tuk going to Pier 4 or Northport Terminal. Dito yan sa may kanan. Going to Delpan. Northport Terminal or Pier 4. Umaga pa tayo, so meron naman Jollibee dito sa tapat eh. So kain muna tayo. Early dinner at Jollibee. arrived. It's a Northport Terminal and check-in na tayo. We're able to be upgraded from Mega Value to tourist class. And there has been some changes in our schedule from December 7 to December 6 and a different boat. This time is the Masinag. So ito na yung Northport Terminal. Then doon tayo pupunta. So as a senior, after ng security check, we have to go to the clinic to get clearance. Hopefully, hindi mataas ang ating BP. And we're now checking in. Check-in parang airport din. Going Iloilo via Masinag. Ito na yung bukod diretso na tayo. Dati we still have to wait here, but now 2 hours before the trip, it seems na pinasasakay na. So ito na yung mga barko. Uy, ito yung Masinag. Ito yata tayo sasakay. And then there's another trip, ito yung Palawan na hindi natin sakyan dati. Okay, siguro diretso na tayo. Shuttle service, yan. And then we're going to transfer to Masinag. Hindi masyadong puno itong terminal because diretso na. Our boat, and mukhang mataring yung akitan natin. Ayan. And Masinag.
Yung dalawang box lang, ha? Diyan na lang yun, oh.
Ha? Saan? Uy, Mel, escalator. Masinag. Ayan. Masinag. Ganda niyo. And I think we have to go somewhere here. Tours. Ang ganda. Okay lang. We've been upgraded to tourists from Japan. Ito. Pero okay ito. Pala ko yung ladder. Yeah, thank you. This is our bed. We've been upgraded from Mega Value to tourist. So walang kapin, walang ulan. I think we have to get them later on. Buti lang may upuan. We can put our things here. So finally arrived sa ating cabin. We have a very nice tourist class accommodation upgraded from Mega Value. Medyo malayo nga lang pinakadulo, but I'm glad that we brought some water. Don't bring single-use plastic. Always have a water bottle. It's good. After this, labas muna tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung facilities ng Masinag. Let me show you how much I pay for this Manila Iloilo trip. 864.28. Initially, I paid the terminal fee of 104.50, but it was refunded because they say that just automatic charging, but you have to refund it as soon as you arrive here at the port area. So 864, not bad. And we were originally on the Mega Value, but we were upgraded to tourist class. So, ganda. Facilities. This is the area for coffee. Then, front desk. And since this is SM property, may kultura, so may salon. And this is the reception area. Escalator. There's Horizon Cafe. Area. You can see the sunset on Manila Bay. Again, this is the St. Francis Xavier sailing to Palawan, and we are at the Masinag. MP Masinag, let me give you a history about MP Masinag. It was built around 2002 and it belonged to a Japanese company. So pakita ko sa inyo old picture na. Ito yan. Yan. So ito yan siya dati. Yan. And then by August 2024, napunta na siya sa to go. It was launched only a few months ago, so very lucky to ride here. Nice sunset, kaso natakpan, hindi natin makikita. Ayun no? The beautiful Manila sunset from MP Masinag. Check, it's 5:24. The St. Francis Xavier bound for Coron, Palawan already start sailing. Ang kanyang departure time is actually 5:30, but mukhang magasin lang lumabas. Ito yung dapat sasakyan natin a few weeks ago, kaso we were not able to make it because of Typhoon Pepito. So if you're planning to go to Coron, it leaves at 5:30 Manila and arrives in Coron at 5:30 in the morning. So again, a beautiful sunset on Manila Bay. So nasa likod natin ang St. Francis Xavier na papuntang Palawan. So it left at exactly 5:24 and it will be arriving in Coron, Palawan around 5:30 in the morning. We're supposed to take this trip, but it was cancelled because of typhoon. So, hanggang tingin na lang muna tayo. But soon we will be taking this boat to go to Palawan. Safety. The sunset. Ito yung Manila sa likod natin. Ganda. The view from here is quite nice. Hello mga senior, time check, it's 6:32 and we're waiting for the Masinig ferry to leave at 7 o'clock. So mukha namang on schedule siya. We're very happy that we were transferred to this Masinig ferry, which is the latest among the fleet of ferries sa MB, sa To Go Travel. I think this was only introduced a few months ago, last August, and very happy to see that the facilities are really top-notch. So it's also about 22 years old, because this was originally a Japanese boat which was refurbished by Korean company a few years ago. So now we see that the facilities and the amenities are top-notch. So getting into the Northport Terminal is quite easy, because we just learned that you can take a e-trike from the Southport to the Northport. The fare is about 20 pesos. So next time that we'll do that already. And as soon as we arrive at the Northport, we had our ticket validated, because we were originally taking the December 27 Masika ferry, but we received an information that we are being transferred to December 6 on the Masinig ferry. So from original 9 p.m., 7 p.m. ang ating departure. And accordingly, we'll be traveling by about 17 hours. We'll probably be arriving in Iloilo 2 p.m. tomorrow. And checking in process is also quite easy, because upon revalidating and giving us the new room assignment, we were able to receive our refund for the terminal fee, because seniors are exempted from paying terminal fee. So although you pay it from online, it will be refunded as when you present your tickets. Also, seniors are required to have some medical clearance. So we proceeded to the clinic, and they check our blood pressure. They ask us about medicine that we're taking. Fortunately, we brought all our maintenance medicine as well as certificate from the doctor. So upon seeing that and getting a good blood pressure, we were given a go signal, a medical clearance to board the ship. So boarding is quite easy. They just need a printed copy of your ticket, and then unlike before, wherein you have to wait at the waiting area, you will be ushered immediately to the boat, riding a shuttle. So no more waiting at the terminal and no more walking, because there's a shuttle provided. Still, you have to climb a very steep steps to go up. The elevator is not working, I don't know. And upon arriving at the reception area, we were immediately taken to our cabin. So I'll update you later on as soon as the boat leaves. Time check 7:21 at hindi pa tayo maalis. Parang may mga kinakarga pa yata. Ito yung boat natin. So hindi ko lang kung nagdadala rin ng mga container van dito tsaka mga ro-ro vehicles kanina kinarga rin niya. Parada pa to, kakarga lahat ito. So, mandidelay ang ating biyahe. Ang pag-alis natin. Dahil naghihintay pa sila. May delay and then nakakuha tayo ng pre-meal dinner. So, beef caldereta at saka pancit canton. Lumpia Shanghai. May pre-dinner. Merong kaldereta at kakalumpiang Shanghai. Saan? Check 9 p.m. and we haven't left Manila yet, and vehicles are still waiting to be loaded. Okay, it's going to be lots of delay when we arrive in Iloilo. few more hours delay dahil nga yung cargo loading. So medyo naantok na tayo, hindi na natin may hintay yung pag-alis ng barko. So this is my cabin. Yan, meron namang ilaw. So at may maluwag naman, oh. Yeah. At okay naman, hindi na tayo munang linen dahil may bayad. So in the meantime, good night na sa inyo. See you in the morning. Good night. So good morning, it's 6:10 in the morning and we're still around the Batangas area. And Monte Maria, I think this is Batangas area. Sa may side, hindi natin naabunan. And yung mga pass map from Mindoro to Batangas. So the internal, and so I believe the ship left past the Royal about 8 hours later, time to Batangas. So probably arriving sa Iloilo 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening. Every time breakfast is served, breakfast every time. Our map, we're sailing through Verde Passage, yun yung Verde Island, yun. And sa side na to, ito yung mga islands, little islets na malapit na sa San Teodoro, sa Calapan. Actually, yung nasa likod na yan is actually Mindoro na yan. Ikot lang tayo dyan. And then, sana natin kita ang Mount Alto ngayon. So, ganda ng sunrise, so. So, nandito tayo sa area nito. And then, paikot na tayo dyan sa Mindoro. So, yan yung Mindoro Calapan. Senior day. Okay, thank you.
Welcome po.
Okay, ating breakfast. Kukuha lang dito? Kukuha na lang?
Nachikan na po ba yun?
Nachikan. Okay, breakfast. So may hot water naman sila. So nagdadala na lang tayo ng 3-in-1 coffee. At very convenient. You don't have to buy coffee na wala namang. So haluin lang natin. At ito na yung ating breakfast. So may priority lane ang mga senior. So hindi na kailangan pumila. So breakfast tayo. Nga pala pag ganitong biyaheng Mindanao dahil Zamboanga, they don't serve pork. This is chicken hotdog. And then egg at saka rice. Walang fried rice, just plain rice. Okay na to. Pagtawid breakfast. Malapit lang sa Pinamalayan. Kita na natin. Nagcha-charge. Mali-mali. Dito pala you bring your own charger. Hindi gumagana yung mga charger nila. Yung sasaksak sa 220. Matapos, then 2 minutes charging, 70. So pwede na 10 pesos, mga 50% additional. And okay na to. Huwag nyo lang nagamitin ito dahil hindi gumagana. Bring your own charger. Our bed. Yan o. And then, may ilaw naman. Isindihan. Kung tayo natulog. Okay naman. Comfortable. Lamig nga lang pagabi. Make sure that you bring your own charger. Hindi kompleto ang biyahe sa barko kung walang Nissin Cup Noodle dyan na Skyflex. Baon natin yan. Mas matipid dahil meron namang hot water dito. Baon din natin pati mga kutsara din dito. And then siyempre libre yung tubig na may yelo. Swak na swak. At nakaka-relax pag itong biyahe. Ang haba ng kanyang deck. Probably one of the biggest ferry ng to go. I think we just passed Mindoro and sailing to Panay Island. So we've been passing some portion of Romblon. Maybe mamaya nakita natin ng Boracay. Business class with pet room, exclusively for passenger. Business class with pet ticket. Ang ganda, cute. Salay area. And we'll soon be sailing to Boracay. Kita natin ang Yanis sa Tablas Island, Romblon. Bayan. Ito na mga bagahe. Kaya magdala ng mga appliances at malalaking bagahe. As long as 50 kilos kaya yung bit-bit din sa taas. Reporter naman. So ito yung mga pwedeng katulad. Malaki content yung picture. Lunchtime na. 11 o'clock from 1 o'clock. So mahaba ang pila. Bakit na yung priority lane ng senior? Senior priority lane. check, 11:24, finished lunch already, and we are now very close to Caravaggio Island and soon Boracay. So, tingnan natin namin kung makikita natin. Panay Island, that's Caravaggio Island, and this is Boracay, so medyo malayo tayo. And this is already Panay Island, so a bit cloudy, but we cannot but we still can see the Mount Matyas, and then we'll be going around Antique. So yan, ito pa rin yung sasakay natin. Medyo magandang araw yan, medyo mainit. Voyage with Masina continues. Yung biyahe natin.
Welcome to MV Masina.
Yes, thank you. Hello, good morning. So, tapos mga souvenir item. Cute. And then mga souvenir. Manila. crossing Antique, and in front of us is Banigin Island. There's a beautiful spot in there. They say that the people here from Cuyo Island, because this is between Cuyo Island and Antique. So ang ganda, medyo nakita natin lighthouse. Island, and dyan tayo galing. Medyo tumawid na tayo ng western part of Panay Island. It's 12:51 and hopefully we'll be in Iloilo by 5 p.m. So tuloy pa rin ang ating biyaheng MV Masinag from Manila to Iloilo. Ganda ng weather, oh. And then sabi nga sa'yo, that's Banigin Island. So medyo nagtatago ang Mount Bajas sa Antique. Time check, it's 4:17 and we are about to cross Anini. We're at Tobias Corner, and then maybe in 2 hours we'll be reaching Iloilo City. Now crossing Anini. Ayun yung island sa Anini. Malapit na tayo sa Iloilo Province. So that's Nogas Island, Enchanting Island sa Anini. May lighthouse siya. Someday soon we want to go there. So dito also on the left side we can see the Anini Church. Medyo maliit na siya, medyo malayo kasi tayo. But I'm very happy to see that kita rin kahit malayo from to go Seated Ferry. That's Nogas Island, and the southwestern tip of Panay Island. So it's a very enchanting island. Someday soon we want to conquer Nogas Island. It's about 20 minutes boat from Anini, Antique. Beautiful rainbow on the southern tip of Panay Island. Nice. delaying arrival. We have our fourth meal already. Grabe ha, to go ha. Naka-apat na meal for 800 pesos ha. At saka tourist accommodation. Time check, it's 6:19 and we're almost near Iloilo City. So maybe in less than 30 minutes we'll be arriving in Iloilo City. We just finished dinner and a fourth meal from Iloilo during this trip. So now, very dark already and we'll soon be arriving in Iloilo. Arriving in Iloilo in a few minutes. That's already the announcement, so malapit na tayo. Arriving in Iloilo. Dito sa kaliwa. Waiting, everybody, pababa na, going home. The door to open, it's 7:40. Travel for about maybe 17 hours and maybe 30 minutes because of the delay and unloading, but we're very happy that we used the MV Masino. It's good and very clean, and now the service is very efficient. Very happy that they're going to finally step up. And the food is quite good because compared to the food before. Hindi na tayo. Okay na. Lapit na, konti na lang, bubuksan na pito. So,
Thank you, sir. Ito po sa biyahe, sir. Wala ka na na eh.
ito yung mga pagkain. Papipigat. Malalaking pagkain dito nilalagay. And then we're going down. Patarik pa lang. Ang pinabaan natin. Patarik pa lang. Balik ulit tayo sa tuto. In the meantime, uwi na tayo. Nandito na yung sundo natin. Almost we are arriving in Iloilo in about an hour, and I just would like to end our vlog here while watching the beautiful sunset at the back. So I'm very happy that I was able to take this trip from Manila to Iloilo. We booked quite early, that's why we were able to get a rate of 846 only. Originally, we are at the Mega Value class, but we were upgraded to the tourist class. Also, the schedule has been adjusted. We were originally planning, we were really booked on the December 7 trip, but we were moved to the December 6, which is quite okay because we will have plenty of time to explore Iloilo. So, we're taking the latest to-go ferry, which is the MV Masina. And this was built in around 2002 and was originally a Japanese ship. It is one of the newest and the longest and the biggest. And I'm very happy that I was able to see the improvements, particularly on this ferry, because everything has been modernized and updated. also, I'm very happy that the service has been improved as well. I normally receive many text messages reminding me of the schedules and where I was required to come to the port at least 3 hours early. So coming to the port was quite easy for us. I've shown you how to go from Cavite to the port, northward using the combination of bus and Loton, and then jeep to South Pier, and then to the North Pier, where it's just an easy walk to reach the North Port. So upon arrival, we had our ticket revalidated and we're given a new rooming assignment. Also, when you book online, you have to pay also the terminal fee. But upon checking in, our terminal fee of 104 pesos was reported because we are senior. So after that, we went to the security check, and then as a senior, we were required to go to the clinic for medical clearance. They just check our blood pressure and ask about our maintenance when switch to wrong. So upon checking in, we were ushered immediately to the ferry by riding a shuttle. Before you just have to walk, but now there is a shuttle. So upon climbing, we were ushered into our cabin, which is quite nice. It's designed for tourist class. I got the upper deck also. The place has cabinets and everything. So everything works well. I was able to show you the facilities like the dining area, the reception area, and many shops like the Watson and the convenience store and the souvenir shop and beauty parlor. So it has been a very quite wonderful trip with To Go Travel. So if you want to try travel by sea, because by travel by sea, you're using a lot of islands that you don't normally see when you travel by air or by land. So why not try MV To Go Travel, MV Masinag. So travel time from Manila to Iloilo is 17 hours. There was a little bit of delay because of the cargo loading last night, but we'll be arriving in Iloilo in a few hours. With that, I'd like to thank you very much for joining me in this sea voyage from Manila to Iloilo using To Go Travel MV Masinag. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until the next vlog, travel while you can. See you soon!